Build 3 exclusive Dinosaur Warriors models, Stegosaurus, Spinosaurus and Pterosaur. Easy to assemble. The parts of this dinosaur toy are simple, and the colors are distinguished. Easy to distinguish and assemble. Joints can swing flexibly to form different poses. Made of high quality and durable plastic, which is smooth polished and without any burrs. Scientific design make the parts are tightly connected to each other. Assemble armored dinosaur figures to create a dino world, equipped with powerful weapon, which can fire cannons. Strong springs allow the cannon launcher to be fired over long distances. Electric drill capable of replacing drill bit. Replaceable hand screwdriver. The mouth, head, claws, legs, paws and tail, all of these parts are movable. Bring you back to the unparalleled ancient times.